Manipur Languages Features Channel asu yengbi khunima ngam Prameshwarna ikai kumna uchari channel asida sandokjagadaba asi mitai lolgi wahi thangnau haibadi mitai lolgi wahi mathang manau sandokjagadabani adudi ai mathang mathang haijerake page 731 mitai lol wahi thangnau 297 warta kasa kasa minta noun lai isol diti lai masa masa a god or goddess word 298 kasa minta noun hambi cement generative fluid of males word 299 kasa satpa mingta noun tumlingai matamda nupagi singli tolombadagi hambi chatpa to pass semen from reproductive organ of males as nocturnal ejection word 300 kasa ningthau Mingta noun Lining Thau Chief DT word 301 Kasang Mingta noun Ka Asangwa a room and its length is considerably long word 302 Kasari Mingta noun Kasarda Laiba Mioi Singi Kanglu Ama a group of peoples inhabited in Kasar Anu Mite Longi Wahaija Kasar Aswaina I Aduga English ki common mamingja ayamna maming thonbada Kasar sumaina I Masigidi matang asida mitelongi wahai tawnak sanduk chabalojare channel asigi maming Manipur Languages Feature matangi upload taw matamda aikhoi amu puna unasi matang asida ijariba spelling banan sing ase kana gumana comment pibinung ba yaurgadi haibiro matangi upload tawbada amona semduk jage channel ase like amsung subscribe to view mathang mitelongi wahai thangnau makha tabuk jar khigani